Let's make a cake. Two and a half cups of flour. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 a teaspoon of salt. 1/2 a teaspoon of salt. 2 and a half cups of flour, all purpose. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda so far. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. One cup of sugar. Four ounces of chocolate chips. One cup of milk. 1 cup of melted butter. Half a cup of boiling water. Five eggs. 1 cup of buttermilk, 3 teaspoons of chocolate, unsweetened cocoa powder. 3 teaspoons unsweetened cocoa powder. One cup of coconut. 1 cup. Spray your 9x13 pan with cooking spray and then flour it. That keeps it from sticking. This is a new pan. Now make sure the sides gets flour on it too. Take it over by your garbage can and do that. Okay, we're going to let the oven heat up at 350, and we're going to bake this for 35 minutes. This is my version of German chocolate cake. Let's go about another 5 minutes. If you don't want to buy the icing for the German chocolate cake out of the store, here's how to make it. 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 12 ounces evaporated milk, 3/4 cup of butter, 5 large egg yolks at room temperature, 3 cups of shredded sweetened coconut, 1 1/2 cups of chopped pecans, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Mix it all together. Heat the granulated sugar, brown sugar, evaporated milk, butter, and beaten egg yolks in a saucepan over medium heat until thick and golden brown. Takes about 5 minutes. Make sure to stir constantly so as not to scramble the eggs. Remove from heat and add in the vanilla, shredded coconut, and chopped pecans. Cool for at least 30 minutes. The frosting will continue to thicken as it cools. To assemble the cake, set the first layer on a cake plate and frost just the top with 1/2 cup of the frosting. Repeat the next 2 layers, leaving the sides of the cake bare. That's how you do it if you want homemade cake icing. If you don't want to buy the German chocolate cake icing from the store, we're just going to put regular chocolate on ours from the store. Okay, it's done. Turn your oven off and let it cool for 35 minutes before you put any icing on it. Thanks for watching. Push the like, subscribe button if you ain't already. And thank you. This is my version of German chocolate cake. If you want the recipe, I will give it to you. So just ask me on the bottom of this if you want it, and then I'll put it on there if anybody wants it. How to make my version. Thanks for watching. Bye. This is kind of icing I'm going to use for mine, because I already put the coconut in here, so I'm not going to worry about no coconut.